The hum of the lab, the sterile smell of chemicals, it was a world away from the vibrant colors I usually chased. My first day shadowing Dr. Eris, a renowned microbiologist, felt more intimidating than inspiring. I expected the lab to be a cold, clinical space, and I wasn't wrong. Yet, I didn't anticipate the beauty that lay hidden within its walls. Dr. Eris handed me a microscope. It's cold metal, a stark contrast to my nervous hands. "Today," he said, his voice calm, "we're diving into the unseen world." He showed me how to prepare a slide, carefully placing a drop of pond water onto the glass. It looked murky, uninteresting, but when I peered through the lens, my breath caught. The mundane water transformed into an animated universe. Tiny creatures, each a world in itself, danced and twirled. The vibrant green of algae pulsed with life. It was a ballet of life and death, of creation and destruction, all playing out in a space I could barely perceive with my naked eye. I was mesmerized. Dr. Eris explained the different organisms, their roles in the ecosystem, the intricate structures that allowed them to survive. He spoke of the beauty of their adaptations, the elegance of their design. It was more than just science. It was art, poetry, and a profound appreciation for life, all rolled into one. I saw paramecia, gracefully gliding through the water, their cilia creating gentle currents. I saw the intricate detail of a single diatom, its glass shell a perfect work of geometric art. I found beauty in the unseen world, a beauty that was previously unknown to me. Over the next few weeks, I spent hours in the lab, exploring different samples. I examined the intricate patterns of snowflakes, the delicate structure of a butterfly's wing, and the vibrant cells of a plant. Each time, I was stunned by the beauty that lay hidden, waiting to be discovered. I began to see the world differently, no longer taking things at face value. I looked closer, always searching for the unseen wonders that surrounded me. I realized that beauty isn't always obvious, it's often hidden, waiting for someone to take the time to look, to explore, and to appreciate. My experience in Dr. Eris's lab changed me. It opened my eyes to a world of wonder and beauty that I had never known existed. It taught me the importance of curiosity, of looking beyond the surface, and of finding joy in the small, seemingly insignificant details of life. The day I found beauty in the unseen world under the microscope wasn't just a day in the lab. It was the day I truly began to see the world.